But this now seem to be assessing main matter. That's can you come closer? That gained gotten conviction and sentence. How do you react to this? It's called justice. So go ahead.
Now, you are all aware that the defendants were arrested in connection with the heinous crime that were committed in Oyo State against innocent children and school teachers. And today, under the direction of the Honorable Attorney General of the Federation, the matter haven't been thoroughly reviewed, were filed in court, and we produced the defendants today before my lord at the federal court. The court had the allegation the state preferred against the defendant. They therefore, having confirmed that they understood those allegations, chose to plead guilty to count 4, count 6, count 7 to 10, and pleaded not guilty in respect of count 1, 2, and 3. So we went ahead to review the fact of the case and to call witness, tender available and relevant evidence, which the court relied on and convicted those the first, second, and third defendant. My lord had equally adjourned trial of the remaining count 1, 2, 3 to the 16th and 17th of September. The sentencing that my lord opposed today clearly demonstrates the commitment of the judiciary to the fight against terrorism, to show that in our jurisdiction, violent or no violent crimes has no place to stay. And your lordship, the court rather, had them pronounced today by giving them life sentence in respect of count 6, and also the first defendant has now been sentenced to life imprisonment in respect of the remaining count 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So in all, we are happy with the decision of the court, and we are still using this opportunity to encourage our people that when you see something, you say something. Failure to disclose the activity of your family members and friends that you know are connected to crime is more or less your demonstration of accepting and agreeing with the unlawful activity that they are perpetrating. So let this be a signal or a sign, and also a message to everyone who are planning or who intends to tow this path to desist from it, because it will not be tolerated in Nigeria. Thank you so much.